In this video, I'm going to show you how you could make money online without selling anything and utilizing the CPA marketing platform. I'm going to show you two very powerful ways you can actually use to go into promoting your CPA marketing offers or making money right here with CPAGrip and actually go on to earning a lot of income right now. So do stick on, watch the video, learn the strategy and utilize that right now. So without much delay, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, if you do head onto the platforms like YouTube and go on to searching for make money online, you'll be able to see lots of cool and amazing videos about making money online. So basically what you want to do is to go into selecting the video that actually do have a lot of views right here. As you can actually do see, this video gets about 128,000 views. What I'm going to do right now, this one gets 12,000 views, this has 38,000 views. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually copy the link address to one of these images right, or this particular video right now. That is, if you're actually using this simple strategy, I'm just gonna come right here and actually copy the link address. So once I do copy the link address to that right here, I'm going to head onto my CPA marketing platform and I'm going to just simply create a simple URL file locker. So once you do head onto a platform such as CPAGrip and log into your account, you want to come right here, go on to clicking on monetization tools, select the content locker and be brought to a page such as this. You want to just simply create a new content locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and basically guys, you could actually leave this page as it is and actually go on to clicking on save to get your content locker created. So once that has actually been created, click on get code and you can actually turn on the JavaScript protection, enable the ad block protection also. But you want to leave this page as it is because we're actually going to be utilizing this video right here for getting traffic. So right now what I'm going to do is to head onto platforms such as the Google site to create a simple landing page. I'm going to click on this blank icon right now. So once I do click on blank, I'll be brought to a page such as this. So basically guys, if you do type in a content such as this right now, I'm just going to go on to making this particular content bold, and I'm actually going to stretch this right here to this end and also this other section right now to this end. You can see how it looks right now. I can actually go on to reducing the font size. So let me say 30 for this to actually go on to looking better. Maybe I'm going to increase that a little bit further to 36. This actually looks quite better right now. So once this has actually been inserted, I'm just going to come right here, this particular section, click on embed and actually go on to getting that particular video link. So right now, if I want to just simply embed this, I'm just going to get back to this particular video, click on the video once more right now, and I'm just going to go on to pausing the video from playing. So once I do that right here, I'm going to come right down to this particular section where I'll be able to click on share. If I do click on share right now guys, I can actually do see this embed code, click on that and you can then copy this embed code. So once you do copy the embed code, head back to your landing page right now, go into this embed code section, paste in that particular code. So once that code has been pasted, head back to the top of the particular code right now, click on enter, and before that particular enter, you want to just simply go into this section right now and actually do head back to your CPA marketing platform, copy this particular content locker link and actually head back to your landing page to paste in that link right here. So if I do paste in that link, first of all, the link is going to come, or for my locker is actually going to come before the link to that particular video. As you can actually do see right now, click on next and that will actually be locked right now for people to go on to watching. So you can go on to seeing a preview right here. It's actually going to show the video first before it's going to go on to locking that particular content. So if I do click on insert right now, this will actually be inserted right here on this particular section. So I'm going to just simply stretch this right here to actually fit in properly. So once this has actually and successfully been stretched right now, as you can see right here, I could just simply go on to leaving the content such as that. So guys, this actually looks quite enough. What you want to do is to actually go on to publishing this particular page. By clicking on publish, you'll be able to see the web address and actually go on to fixing in one that is suitable to you. Once you do fixing one right there, you can copy the link to that right now and go on to promoting this particular page. And you may be wondering, how do you actually go on to promoting this page right now? So right now guys, to promote this and get traffic to this right here, the first strategy which you want to use is to head on to this particular platform called Quora.com. So while on Quora right here, you just want to go on to making a simple search like make money online. So if I do come right here and search for make money online on Quora right now, I will be able to see a lot of questions right here about that particular keyword. So right now guys, you can see this says what is the easiest way to make money online. You can see this actually has about 9.7 thousand answers already. So you want to just simply drop yours right there among that particular list. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to leaving a very cool answer right here for this particular post right now. So if I do click on that right now, I will be able to see more details about the post. I can actually do go on to clicking on answer. If I do click on answer, I will be given a chance to actually go on to providing my answer on this particular platform. So right here guys, you can see right here that this is the comment I'm going to just simply drop right here, which says the secret way to make money online that the rich and elite use. You can actually do put in something like this which says watch this secret video, and actually add in something like here which says click here. So once you actually do put in a text such as this, before actually adding your CPA marketing link, it is quite important that you do this before adding your landing page link. Right now you want to just simply publish this particular post right here and wait for about 20 to 30 minutes before actually going back to editing that and add in your landing page link. So if you do this right here, your particular comment will actually go on to reaching out to a lot more amount of people right there, because if you don't actually do this, Quora right here will be thinking that you just want to go on to promoting your own website right now. So they're not actually going to promote it that much because you're actually promoting your own website. So do this right now, use this particular strategy and get a lot of traffic. The second strategy which you could go on to utilizing right now is by heading on to platforms like Facebook, and you want to search for make money online. And if you do search for make money online groups, you'll be able to see lots of groups right here. This group has 66,000 members. This has 168,000 members right now, and you'll be able to see lots of groups that are actually having a lot of engagement. All you need to do right now is to actually go on to joining one of those groups right now. If you do join one of those groups, you'll be able to see similar questions right there to which people are asking, hello guys, how can I make money online? All you need to do is to actually follow the same strategy which we actually did right here on Quora, and actually promote this post right here on your Facebook post. And right there, after 20-30 minutes, give them the link to that particular comment or to that particular landing page for them to actually gain access to that and go on to watching that particular video. So this is a very cool strategy right now, because you can use this for as many comment sections as you can, or as many questions as you can actually do find out, and go on to making a lot of money with this simple strategy. And for a bonus tip right here guys, you can actually head on to this platform called thericheffect.com, and this is actually an ad platform you can actually go on to utilizing to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer or make money with CPA marketing. Because before they can actually watch that video, they actually need to go through my URL file locker first, of which once they complete an offer, I gain some cool affiliate commission. So right now guys, you want to just simply go on to taking advantage of this platform called the Rich Effect, as you can actually use that to expand your advertising exposure. And Rich Effect, use the Rich Effect ad network right now. So this is actually an amazing platform you can actually use to go into monetizing traffic, to actually get some cool ad formats like the push notification, the pop advertising, the banner ads, and the native ads. So use this particular platform, register, and actually go on to publishing your CPA marketing landing page link or CPA marketing offer directly to get traffic to that and make money online. So if the video was helpful, make sure you always smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.